guys, welcome back to my website. I'm so excited because today I'm going to show you what's in my makeup bag. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first things first is my makeup bag. This is from the brand Fashionable. I will put the link down below on all their amazing products. Genuine leather, smells so good, and I love it because it fits everything in here. Probably more than what needs to be in here, but it's cute. First, I have a beauty blender because you never know when you need to maybe blend in your makeup in the middle of the day. Plus, it's really fun to squish. And the next thing I have is my Chanel little blush mirror. I use this really for the mirror. This is the blush. It's really pretty pink, but it smells really floral, but it's cute and it's good to mirror. Then the next item in my makeup bag is just my eyelash curler. This is a Revlon eyelash curler, and then I have my Clean and Clear oil absorbing wipes. And I like to use these whenever it's just a hot day outside and I can just blot my face. And the next thing I have is my Stila liquid eyeliner. This is my everyday eyeliner that I love. It lasts all day, very pigmented, one swipe and you are good to go. Okay, then the next thing I have is my MAC eyeliner. Crayon eyeliner in the shade Squid. I love this because it's so pigmented as well, lasts all day. Great eyeliner. I'm a big eyeliner person, so I always try to find the best eyeliners, and these by far, Stila and MAC, have been my two go-tos for my eyeliner. Another eyeliner product that's in my bag is the L'Oreal Intense Extra Intense liquid pencil eyeliner. This is one that you sharpen. It comes with a little smudger too on the other end, but this stuff is pigmented. I mean, like, scary pigmented. You're like, whoa. Okay, back to normal. Anyways, you know, I had to have a moment for the eyeliner. Okay, then the next thing I have is my True Blend Fix Stick Concealer by CoverGirl in the shade Medium. Like a medium light. I actually don't use concealer. I use this concealer for my lips. Fun fact, I love light nude lips because I love dark, bold eyes, so I never want to go heavy on both features of my face, so either one gets it or the other doesn't, so I use concealer for my lipstick with a little bit of chapstick. So that's my little trick. If you want a nice light nude, definitely do that. Okay, then the next thing I have is my Victoria's Secret Paris spray. Or not spray, it's a roller ball. It smells so good. Oh, love it. So good. Okay, then the next thing is my Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Walk of Shame, which is really sad that that's the name, but I like the color. So it's this like pink nude. I don't know if you can see that. Again, I am a lipstick and eyeliner person. I always try to find the best lipstick and the best eyeliner, so I love this one too if I'm not going to use concealer. And then the next one I have is the Bare Minerals in the shade Controversy, and this is really close to a concealer nude. It's so pretty. I love these two shades. So great. And then the next thing I have is the Stila Crayon black eyeliner in the shade Stingray. I love this one too with the MAC. It's great. Then the next thing I have is my Roller Lash Benefit little travel sized mascara. I always like to have mascara on the go just to go whoop, 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 whoop in the middle of the day if I need a little eyelash pick me up. Okay, then the next thing I have in my makeup bag is my Benefit. Oh, this is embarrassing to show. Anyways, it's a sharpener, pencil sharpener for my eyeliner, but it's really dirty, so don't even look at it. Anyway, okay, we're almost done. I promise. You guys are awesome for staying this whole time. Like, look at my hand. It's ridiculous. Anyways, okay, then I have my Burt's Bees Coconut and Pear chapstick. This is what I like to use with my concealer for my lips. Yeah, Burt's Bees, you can never go wrong. Another chapstick, Burt's Bees Ultra Conditioning with Cocoa Butter. I never heard of cocoa butter. Anyways, yeah, great moisturizing. Gotta love it. Burt's Bees, holla. Okay, then I love this next item. I think it's so cool. It's called Latouise. Comes in this really nice packaging. And when you open it, there's your little tweezers. But it has a little light. Isn't that cute? Oh, you could be like, oh, whoa. Okay, anyways. You can just like, oh, gotta tweeze my eyebrows. Make them look good. Okay, and then the next item in my makeup bag is the Ulta lipstick in the shade 224. This is a really pretty, if I'm in the mood for like a dark nude, I go for this color. Yeah, it's kind of nasty, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love the smell of lipstick. Just love it. Last, but certainly not least, was that weird? Yeah, let's get back. Okay, the last item in my makeup bag is my Lolia lotion in the scent Sugar Pastel Shea Butter. This stuff is so, oh my gosh. Not only is it moisturizing, I love using this for my hands and my elbows and my knees and my ankles, like whenever I'm trying to like touch up on my hydration on my skin. I love using this stuff, but also it smells so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was in my makeup bag, and I also hope that you guys will be able to check out some of the products in my bag that I showed you today. Remember, all the products will be listed down below, and if you have any questions about my products, or if you have any suggestions for upcoming video or blog post ideas, please leave a comment here, email me, or also connect with me through Instagram. Remember to just always be kind and to look at every moment as an opportunity to make someone's day better. Love you all. XO. Ooh, okay. I think I just made something new. Okay, ready? Here we go. XO Paris. No, how do we do that? Paris. Oh, that looks really sad. Nope, we're not doing that. We're just gonna be normal. Bye, y'all. Okay, bye, guys. Came running, baby, and let my heart take hold of me.